I am Sarah, and today we'll be exploring the fantastic testimonial section and demonstrating how you can effortlessly create and customize them to elevate your Moodle site. Let's jump right in. Before we start, let's take a quick look at what we're going to achieve. Here's a glimpse of a beautifully designed Our Classes section in card design on a dashboard page. Enable the edit mode and select the appropriate region for your block. Now click on the Add a Block button, which will open our block library. Let's add this block. Perfect. The block is added. Let's now click on Live Customizer to customize the block. Let's edit the label text on the card by simply double-clicking on it to enable its editing. Similarly, let's update the card description and the button. Let's make sure the designs are responsive by using these buttons down here. Save changes. Once satisfied with the changes, we can click on Save Changes and close the customizer. Disable Edit Mode and Out. We can now disable the Edit Mode and check the final results. Thank you for watching the video. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel. If you want to know about other such blocks, please add them in the comment section.